Get ready to captivate your audience and leave them wanting more with our tips for creating a killer presentation. Whether you're a seasoned presenter or just starting out, these techniques will help you deliver a memorable and effective message. Tune into FrequencyClick now. Welcome to FrequencyClick, the channel where we explore everything from the latest tech gadgets to tips and tricks for success. In today's video, we'll be discussing how to create a killer presentation that will leave your audience begging for more. Whether you're presenting to a small group of coworkers or a large conference, the key to a successful presentation is all in the preparation. Make sure to stay till the end to learn all the tips. But before starting, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell for our upcoming videos. So let's get started. Step 1. Know your audience. Before you even start creating your presentation, you need to know who your audience is, who will be attending, what is their level of knowledge on the topic, what are their interests and goals. Knowing this information will help you tailor your presentation to their specific needs, making it more engaging and relevant to them. Step 2. Define your message. Once you know your audience, you need to define the message you want to convey. What is the main point of your presentation? What do you want your audience to remember? This message should be clear and concise, and everything in your presentation should support it. Remember, less is more. Don't try to cram too much information into your presentation, or your audience may become overwhelmed and lose interest. Step 3. Create a strong opening. The opening of your presentation is crucial. It sets the tone for the rest of the presentation and can determine whether or not your audience will stay engaged. Consider starting with a shocking statistic, an interesting anecdote, or a thought-provoking question. Whatever you choose, make sure it relates to your message and grabs your audience's attention. Step 4. Use visuals. Visual aids can be a powerful tool in any presentation. They can help break up text-heavy slides, illustrate complex concepts, and keep your audience engaged. However, be careful not to overdo it. Too many visuals can be distracting. Choose high-quality images and graphics that support your message, and keep the design clean and simple. Okay, wait. Let's spread the knowledge and help others build their online businesses too. If you are finding this content helpful, give it a like and share it with those who can benefit. Don't hesitate to drop your valuable tips, suggestions, or inquiries in the comments section below. I'm eager to hear from you. Step 5. Engage your audience. Engaging your audience throughout your presentation is key to keeping them interested. Ask questions, encourage participation, and use interactive elements like polls or quizzes. People are more likely to remember information that they actively engage with, so make sure to include opportunities for your audience to participate. Step 6. Practice, practice, practice. Once your presentation is complete, it's time to practice. Practice in front of a mirror, record yourself and watch it back, or present to a small group of friends or coworkers. This will help you identify areas where you need to improve, refine your delivery, and ensure that you're comfortable with the material. Step 7. Rehearse your timing. Timing is everything in a presentation. You don't want to run out of time before you've covered all the important points, but you also don't want to go over your allotted time and lose your audience's attention. Rehearse your timing to ensure that you can deliver your message effectively within the time given. Step 8. Finish strong. Just as the opening is important, so is the closing. A strong finish will leave a lasting impression on your audience and ensure that they remember your message. Summarize your key points, reinforce your message, and end with a call to action. Encourage your audience to take action based on what they've learned, whether that's signing up for a service or making a change in their own lives. Creating a killer presentation takes time, effort, and a lot of preparation. But by following these steps, you can create a presentation that will leave your audience begging for more. Remember to know your audience, define your message, create a strong opening, use visuals, engage your audience, practice, rehearse your timing, and finish strong. By doing so, you'll be able to deliver a presentation that not only captures your audience's attention, but also motivates them to take action. So don't be afraid to put in extra work and create a presentation that truly stands out. With these tips in mind, you're well on your way to delivering a killer presentation that your audience won't soon forget. Thanks for watching, and be sure to smash the like button and subscribe to FrequencyClick for more tips and tricks on success.